Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel a Babbel subscription. So watch till the end to know the full and proper process. First, open the app on your mobile device. Then log into Babbel account. If you are an Android user, then go to your Play Store. Then go to your account section and click on this payment and subscription. Here you can see the subscription option. Click on it. If you have the Babbel subscription, this will appear in this section and you can clearly see the Babbel subscription details. From here you can unsubscribe the Babbel subscription easily. In any case, if you don't find the subscription details in Google Play Store, then that means the subscription had not placed or the subscription is non-renewable. In my site, I don't have any Babbel subscription, that's why it's not showing here. You also can contact their customer support from Babbel's website. Here is a few tips for cancelling your Babbel subscription. Go to babbel.com and log into your account, then click on the profile icon in the right top corner and choose Profile and Settings. Then open Account Information, choose the subscription and click the Cancel Auto Renewal button. If you are an iOS device user, then these steps for you. First, go to Settings on your iPhone or iPad and tap on your name. Second, tap on subscription. Thirdly, select Babbel and confirm the cancellation. That's all. If you found this video helpful, then give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon. We will come back to you soon with another video. Till then, goodbye.